I'm gonna do my face and I'm going to put my extensions on. So anyway, so my eyebrows look like this. They look kind of crazy right now because I have to go over them with the concealer, but so see if you can see that. Then I get this Morphe concealer that I don't really like to use under my eye because it gets kind of cakey for me. So I use it for my eyebrows. So then I just grab a brush and then I'm subscribed to the BoxyCharm subscription thing, and I freaking love it because it's like my guilty pleasure. And this palette came into it once, and I could not stop using it. It's so freaking cute. Like, it has all these shades. I use the orange, a grip, and the gold one right there. So this shade right here, it's this orange one, Cocoa Taxi, and then I'll go with the gold, El Malecon. This one is freaking awesome. Yeah, look at that. BoxyCharm be having good stuff, but then sometimes I'm like I'm not gonna use it. So I always give it to my mom. Shout out to my mom. Jeffree Star Blood Sugar Palette, which I freaking love, and I still keep in the box because I don't want it to get messed up because I love it so much. So it's this one. It's beautiful. If you guys didn't buy this, y'all messed up because it was made to perfection. I should probably clean it up. I should probably put it in there, but anyway, I use the gold right here, the donor. It's called donor, not the. And then I'll put it in the middle of my lid, just so I can like make the other one pop. So then I go with Tropico. The only thing is that these do kind of have like a lot of fallout, but I don't even care because they're so pigmented that I really like it. Say hey, bye! So this is my child. It's so hot. If y'all don't know, we live in California, San Diego, and I don't know if there's the fires or, you know, Trump, but the weather over here is horrible. Like, it is disgusting, you know. Like, right now I attempt to do my eyeliner with this kid on my lap, but I mean, it might not be the best idea ever. He's all sweaty, he needs a haircut, but oh well, mama gotta get ready. So let me give him something to hopefully not choke on while I do my eyeliner. But my eyeliner, I never do wing eyeliner just because I just suck at it. Like, I've never been good at it. I don't practice it enough. I always make it way too big and then I mess everything up. So no, I don't do wing anymore. It's annoying. So, and then sometimes I feel like, so back to what I was saying, because I got cut off because I don't know what happened. I blame it on the child. Just kidding. I don't know. Anyway, I did my eyeliner already. I need to do the other side. I was doing it, but now that he's touching everything. Mind you, my eyebrows, I'm still gonna go over them. They're not gonna stay like this, so you're gonna, you know, talk shit over you like, eyebrows look like shit. Well, I ain't done yet, so calm down. Okay, just kidding, hold on. So this guy is just gonna touch everything, so I don't know if he'll be able to sit on my lap for much longer. But I use for foundation, I use Frankie Rose. Yeah, they use this one, and when I went to IMATS, I pretty much went to IMATS last year and I got like a shit ton of makeup, so I've been trying to use it up, you know, to not feel so guilty about spending like, I don't know, a grip of money on IMATS, on makeup, you know, or whatever. So I got this one, Frankie Rose. I use this every single time I do my makeup. This is in shade Bare. Oh my god, this is so annoying that I'm doing this and then that it doesn't focus. Whatever. I use this all the time. It feels like you're not even wearing foundation. They use it. I legit use it. I bought the Kat Von D foundation too, this one. But unfortunately, I don't use this one really hardly ever. Like, there's even dust on the top. It's way too fucking cakey. It's kind of, it's full coverage, but it's too full coverage for me. Like, I'll use it if I'm gonna go to like a quinceañera or like a fucking wedding or something, but not for today. So let me put this kid in the floor. Come here. He likes to touch everything, and he's naked right now because it's so hot in San Diego that I feel like the world's gonna end, but that's another video. So I'm gonna put on my lashes. I'm gonna do my foundation last because I'm still gonna be running around and I'm gonna be sweating. So yeah, I used to be obsessed with these, the new some lashes. I used to always get them in Black Russian, or Serengeti is a shit too. I stopped using them just because they were getting kind of heavy on me. I felt like the thing was too much. So now I use these. And then I was like, I'm gonna try them out because they weren't that expensive. This guy just BB chips that he found from I don't know where, but alright. But my favorite one is Amber. Sorry, so wrong. Camilla, which is ironic because my dog's name is Camilla and she is the shit. I bought them in jewels once, but I didn't really like them on the shape of my eye, so I always get Camilla. That's like my favorite. They're pretty big, which is why I like them, and they're super dramatic. So if you don't like dramatic, don't even fuck with them. Don't get them. Don't even Google them. If you like the natural look, these ain't for you, boo. They're beautiful. I love them. I feel like they're so pretty. Like, I used to do, literally, I used to do lashes from down the street from my house because there's like a little, like, 99 beauty shop where you can buy everything you freaking need. And, you know, like these wannabe red cherry lashes, but they used to be like $1. Now they're like $2, which I'm like, okay. But I don't really even like the way they look anymore. They look kind of whack. Like, and then make sure that you take off the glue that's on that shit because there's still some glue. Oh shit, I fucking left the sopa. My bad. Yo. Oh, okay. I fucking did, I was doing a sopa for my son and I left it up there and I totally forgot about it, and so I went up there. It's sopa's fine, but it's a little burnt. Well, screw it. I use a dual glue. I used to use this like little chippy one from down the street from my house, and they used to work so good because it would dry matte. It wouldn't dry shiny because I kind of hate it when it dries shiny. So no. But this one's good too. I just don't like the shine on it. I used to use the other one too from Lashes in a Box. That glue was good up until it could only last like honestly like 3 months, and then it gets gooey and gunky from all like something air in it or something. I don't know, but I like that glue too. That one was really nice. It doesn't have latex or something like that, so if you're allergic to it, you were good. If you're insensitive. But I've just been using Duo. I wait for it to get a little tacky though, because sometimes if it's too wet, it'll just kind of like slide off. So yeah. So I'm putting this on there. My lashes are the most important for me, I feel like, because if they're not on point, makeup just looks like crap. Besides the foundation and all that, okay, I know, but like still, my lashes are like, they gotta be popping. I try to put the middle on first, just because it's the hardest part to stick. And I feel like these kind of lashes, if you don't put them on right, they'll just stick wrong. And then since they're a little thicker, they're harder to manage. So you want to make sure you get it on the first try, because if not, you're gonna have your eyelashes bug you all day. I try not to mess with it too much because then the glue gets everywhere. So, and then once I put my foundation on, it'll look a lot nicer. But I love big dramatic lashes. Lashes are on. So now what I like to do is I like to go with the wipey or anything really that you can find. I just use a wipey because, hello, I have like a unlimited supply of wipes because of my child. So I do my own extensions. I buy the pack of hair literally down the street from my house at a beauty supply, and I sew them, I clip them, I sew the clip, I glue this part, so that way I have less tracks in my hair, because my hair is thin, so I feel like you can see it. So then what I do is I wash these. I don't wash them too often, just so I can take care of them. And then I'm literally just going to pull my hair up. And then pull it down. I don't tease or anything like that. I just usually pull, make sure that it's on. And if it's not, I'll just redo it. So then I have a little bit more length. So then I'm gonna go back to that a little bit. And then I clip it down one more time. I haven't flat ironed the top yet. And then do another section. Make sure that it's flat ironed. Grab the other one.
Up the streets, it ain't the same. Too many murders, too many funerals, and too many tears. Just seen another brother buried, plus I knew him for years. That's why it's family, but what could I say? Keep your head up and try to keep the faith, and pray for better days. Better days, better days, now better days, better days, better days.